Now let us go to the types of the polynomials. Number 1, based on various degrees. Now based on various degrees, we have the types of the polynomials as linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, then biquadratic polynomial, and so on. Let us know their definitions. Linear polynomial, a polynomial whose degree is 1 is called a linear polynomial. Polynomial whose degree is 1, whose degree is 1 is called linear polynomial. For example, px is equals to, we give the name px if the variable is x. If the variable is in y, we can write y. If the variable is in more than 2 variables, we don't give this name. So px is equals to, over here, 3x plus 2. The degree of this polynomial is 1. So this is a linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. So polynomial whose degree is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. For example, px is equals to 3x square plus 2x plus 3. Power of this or degree of this polynomial is 2. Cubic polynomial, whose degree is 3 is called cubic polynomial. For example, px equals to 3x cube plus 5x square plus 2x plus 3. Now let us go to biquadratic polynomial. So a polynomial whose degree is 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. For example, px equals to 5x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 2. The thing is, only we should take care that the polynomial should have the degree 4 over here to be a biquadratic polynomial. More than 4, if a polynomial has degree more than 4, we simply call it as a polynomial. Now let us go to the types of the polynomials based on the number of terms. Now the second type of the polynomial is based on the number of terms. Now if we consider the number of the terms in a given polynomial, the types of the polynomial are mono means 1 term, bino 2 terms, trino 3 terms, quadrinomial 4 terms. More than this we simply say as polynomials only. So let us define it. Monomial, a polynomial having only one term, is called monomial. For example, 3x cube y square z. Or you can take another example, 3x square, 5x. Any polynomial you take, the number of the terms in that polynomial should be 1. If it is 1, that is a monomial. Binomial, a polynomial which has two terms, is called binomial. For example, 3x plus 2. Another example, let us take 3x square y z plus 4x. Two terms. So you give any number of examples in that polynomial. So if the number of terms is 2, it is a binomial. Trinomial, a polynomial which has 3 terms. Is called trinomial. For example, I'm continuing here. For example, 3x plus 4y plus z, or 3x cube y plus 3x plus 2. Anything you can give. If 3 terms are there, that polynomial is a trinomial. Quadrinomial, polynomial which has 4 terms, is called quadrinomial. For example, 3x plus 4y plus z plus 6 is called quadrinomial, is a quadrinomial. Now in one more example, let us take 2x square y plus 3x square z plus 4x plus 5y. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms, so it is a quadrinomial. More than, if a polynomial have more than 4 terms, we do not name it, we simply say it polynomial.